Hi, my name's Rebecca Stadler. Welcome to this week's Pirate Fight Club. This week we've got a question about making sure that something functions as a trademark. It can be a little bit confusing, but what that means is that the trademark needs to identify the source of goods and services. So if you just use a certain phrase on your blog every once in a while, but you're not real consistent and it's not really at the top or it's in the middle of your blog, then that's probably not going to function as a trademark. So what needs to happen is that the name of the trademark or the whatever it is needs to be at the top of the website, and it needs to stand alone. So as an example, I have Pirate Fight Club registered, but I'm also Stadler IP Law. So my website can say Stadler IP Law, but if I'm trying to renew the registration for Pirate Fight Club, I need to show the trademark office very clearly the mark Pirate Fight Club on my webpage. So it needs to be prominent, it needs to be at the top, and let's think of some other examples. If you've got a certain type of Nike shoe, Air Jordans, for example. So you've got the main brand, which is Nike, and then you also have Air Jordans. The Air Jordans need to be clearly marked as Air Jordans in order to function as a trademark. So you can't just put Nike on there and then show the trademark office that it's functioning for Air Jordans. It needs to also say Air Jordans. It can be a little bit confusing on what and when something functions as a trademark. The whole point of trademarks is that it needs to identify the source of goods and services. So people need to see that name and think, oh, right, that particular trademark is representing these particular goods and services. So I hope this helps, or maybe it made things a little bit more confusing, but if you've got any other questions about how something will function as a trademark, you can put that in the comment section and I can try to answer that in an upcoming episode. All right, see you next week.